The Welding and Fabrication Technology program at Linn-Benton Community College prepares students for careers in the welding and fabrication industry. Welding and fabrication is a rewarding career for men and women who enjoy challenges and like to work with their hands. Our graduates find employment in positions including production welder, fabricator, pipe welder, and more. The welding program at LB offers both a 1-year certificate and 2-year associate's degree, which allow you to start your career in the welding industry. The employment outlook in the welding and fabrication industry is great. According to the Global Trends, as much as 60% of skilled jobs currently go unfilled, and there will be a shortage of up to 2 million positions by 2025. The welding industry has continued to operate during the COVID-19 pandemic, and so has our program. We've adapted our programs to include online lectures and physically distanced in-person labs. We are following state and federal COVID guidelines to keep students and staff safe while on campus, and throughout the pandemic, we've maintained a COVID-free environment. Our fully equipped welding and fabrication shops include all the equipment students need to learn skills for their work in the real world. During labs, you will learn skills such as shielded metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, gas metal arc welding, oxy fuel cutting, plasma arc cutting, and many more.
I'm Levi Skillings, and I'm a first-year welding student and president of the Industrial Technical Society at LBCC. I got into welding because I'm an artist, and this gave me another medium to explore. I'm learning a lot in the program, and I get a lot of hands-on experience. I'm also in work study, so I get a lot of additional learning from that. The instructors in the program are really helpful and friendly. They know a lot and give a lot of good advice. I feel like the instructors are doing a good job with safety precautions due to COVID, and I feel safe when I'm learning on campus. I would highly recommend LB's welding program to anyone interested in the welding industry.
If you're interested in a career in the welding and fabrication industry or would like more information about our programs, please contact Mark Rose or Cameron Moran with LBCC Welding.